Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can fix mouse, computer or laptop mouse moving automatically, and it's quite annoying when it happens, and I'm going to show you how you can fix that. So if you are unable to select the start menu, just press on tab button and then hit enter, and then type in run and then hit enter again, and then type in main.cpl and then hit enter again. This will bring you to mouse properties menu. So if you press the tab button, keep on pressing, and then when it selects the button, click right arrow key, go to pointer option, keep pressing twice. It will take you to pointer options, and then you can use the tab key again and deselect the enhance pointer and select a pointer speed, make sure it's on the middle, and then on enhance pointer precision just deselect it, and then if you keep on pressing tab button, hide pointer while typing, just deselect it, and then keep pressing tab button and press on apply, and then hit enter again, and then restart your computer or laptop. I hope this will fix your problem. Subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Thank you.